head office, a regional office for all the distributor in one state. So for various cities in Hyderabad, there is a distributed office. Various cities of Andhra Pradesh, there is a distributed centralized office in Hyderabad. So the account statements and monthly forecast, monthly budgeting, annual budgeting, or your monthly data you capture and you send, you consolidate and you submit it to your regional office. So maybe monthly basis we capture our forecasting and submit to the regional office. One of the example of forecast sheet I can show you. Okay, so in the given example you can see I have one forecast application, an Excel sheet in which I am recording my data for various months, okay, or for various years. Now this I am forecasting for next current year and for next 3 years. Now this information is captured at departmental level. It means each distributor or are located in cities. Above this we have regional office in capital, and then we have country head office, and finally I may have one more layer, corporate head office. So the responsibility, what we do forecasting for each city, so this sheet is being given to, this template is given to all distributors located in various cities, and they were asked to do their forecasting. So for various business activities, as you can see, material and supply, labor excluding, for various business activity they might do forecasting, maybe yearly. I should have written here for monthly. Let us imagine it is for monthly forecasting they are doing. So we retrieve monthly forecasting being received from various cities. It is consolidated at regional office, and further it is consolidated at office. During this process, in the transition, there are many phases, but important that your budget cycle flows from your lower cities to your capital and your head office, and finally your corporate office. In this process, first we submit the balance sheet, or we submit the forecast sheet for various expenses to my regional office to validate this. Okay. So one thing we submit to the regional office for validation, it might accept, it might reject. The next diagram shows this. I submit my forecast application for various expenses to my head office. It is being reviewed under various phases, reviewed by your budget manager, reviewed by your financial department, and then either it is accepted or rejected or asked to make modification, promote for next level, and finally it is sign off at headquarter level. If it is not accept, it might reject. If it reject, we go back and make modification and again submit. If it is approved, we close it. The same thing being shown in the previous slide. So at departmental level, we submit the budgeting forecasting application, budgeting sheet, monthly budget, monthly forecast to the regional office. They review, they approve or reject. They may ask to do some, or they do some adjustment. They consolidate it at regional office level. If they reject, they send you back. After regional level consolidation, it is promoted to central level consolidation. Right? So the same approach thing happens at central level. This is final consolidation. They review, approve, adjust, consolidate, and when it is central level, they may require intercompany transaction match. We'll discuss about intercompany transaction, what are the issues. They do IC match, and finally translation may require, currency conversion, these kind of translation may require. And the view they have is a consolidated view, and the report they may create for external bodies, government bodies, or for internal manager reporting, for tax report, legal, treasury, and management report, and finally it is given. So reports are published. So you see, the consolidation happens from various levels. This is 3 level. It could be 4 level: local, regional, headquarter, and corporate headquarter. Now, HFM is a little bit different from your ERP, financial consolidation application, as it sits upon it works along with your multi-dimensional database. And when it works along with multi-dimensional database, it makes use of OLAP functionality. It means performance-wise is very good. Apart from this, we can use all the properties of multi-dimensional database like dimension hierarchy, consolidation. This property we can make use. So multi-dimensional processing provides detailed analysis on your data. Data is organized in terms of dimension, and dimension is basically a business view to your data called market, customer, distribution channel, geographical location could be your dimension. Year could be your dimension. If you don't know what are the dimension and measures, maybe you should see my fundamental concept of data warehousing to understand this. I'm assuming you know the fundamentals about dimension measures. So the theme essence is here. As HFM is a suite of hyphen products, we can make use of multidimensional features. Whereas in transaction, this slide shows the big picture difference between your transactional model and multiprocessing. So transactional versus multidimensional processing. Financial management use multidimensional processing. That's a beauty lies here. And this differentiate HFM from other financial consolidation tool. We are making use of multidimensional features. In addition to this, we are using a financial management features. So that's which make a good combination. It doesn't work on OLTP environment. This is a difference from transactional processing that enterprise resource planning system uses. ERP use transaction system, whereas financial management use multidimensional processing. The key difference. Transaction processing is designed to store and retrieve transactional information as quickly as possible. Transaction system is designed to record transaction, not for data retrieval, but here the job is for data retrieval. Transaction data is usually stored in relational database. We know that in terms of tabular, which consists of rows and columns and multiple table joins with your primary and foreign key relationship. This type of processing is good for quickly storing and retrieving data. However, because data is stored in separate tables without hierarchy, retrieval may be good but not very good. We have no means to define the dimension and dimension hierarchy, and drill down and drill up can be easily defined using multidimensional database. Okay, the slides talks about what are the financial consolidation, reporting and analysis feature associated with HFM. Financial management enables highly efficient collection and consolidation data. It is specifically designed to efficient collection and consolidation of data, specifically when your data is from disparate sources. The beauty exists here. Process management and time control process, review and approve process for data validation. Because it's a financial data validation, data accuracy is a primary concern, and the more manual process involved in consolidation is more prone to error. As it is automated process, it does there's a very less possibility of error. Currency translation is biggest challenge when you do consolidation. It deals hype in financial management, deals with it beautifully. And another important issue which have to deal with during merger, acquisition, and when there is parent income organization and subsidiary organization is the issues, problem related to intercompany transaction and intercompany elimination. So we have some automation techniques to perform this job. So finally, hyping financial management design for a large scale organization where they can make use of web development is a centralized web-based feature. You can use financial management to consolidate data from diverse general ledger systems around the globe. Key features, let's recapitulate the key features. Okay, let's recapitulate the key features of HFM. First, global consolidation at enterprise level, scalable web architecture. So today I have 100, my company is a collection of 100 subsidiary companies. Tomorrow I do expansion and acquire 5 more companies. So HFM is designed to in such a way that it can be scalable. Today I have 100 HFM users. Tomorrow I need 10,000. It means I don't have to discard my application and create a new one. The application HFM designed in such a way it can accommodate the changes and scalable. Smart dimensionality. There are some predefined dimensions which are designed keeping the generic, which is designed keeping some set of dimensions are required in all business scenarios. We have predefined dimensions, we have custom defined dimensions. We can do complete audit trail, powerful reporting analysis tool. We have rich reporting solution, right from CAN report, a kind of CAN report. We can use financial reporting, FR. In our training course, we are going to learn hyphen financial reporting along with hyphen space, because these two products go and they go together. So we'll also learn financial reporting and we understand the various functionality, features, and creating report is relatively far easier in financial report with your hyphen financial management. Data integration, that is why we have a dedicated tool for FDQM, financial data quality management. So data integration, which is one of the very challenging job, it dealt at SDQM level.